A warm, welcome, lovely audience.
Ever wondered if there's a way to create amazing content effortlessly? What if I told you there's a magic tool that can write blog posts for you at the click of a button? Intrigued? And don't worry, even if you're new to this, we'll explain it like you're 5. So buckle up and let's start this journey. What is generative AI? Imagine you have a magical box that could create stories, draw pictures, even write songs. Sounds like something out of a fairy tale, right? Well, that's pretty much what generative AI is. It's a type of artificial intelligence that can produce all kinds of content, like text, images, audio, and video. In simple words, it's like a super smart elf living inside your computer, creating magic with its tiny digital hands. How does generative AI work? How does this magical elf work, you ask? Well, it's all about patterns. You know how when you play with blocks, you start recognizing shapes and can build bigger things? That's kind of how generative AI works. It learns from lots of examples, finds patterns, and then uses those patterns to create new things. It's like learning how to build a castle by playing with 1,000,000 Lego sets. The impact of generative AI. Now, our magical elf is not just for fun, it's actually super helpful. Experts believe that generative AI could add trillions of dollars to the global economy. That's like adding a mountain of gold to the world. It can help us do our work more efficiently and create amazing new things. Generative AI and learning. Even our magical elf needs to learn. And where does it get its knowledge from? Places like Wikipedia. By reading and learning from such sources, generative AI becomes smarter and more accurate. It's like feeding our elf a steady diet of books, so it can grow smarter and craft better magic. The future of generative AI. And guess what? The new generation, Generation Z, is already learning to work with our magical elf, discovering what it can do, and they're super excited to bring their skills to the workforce. The era of generative AI is just beginning. And that's generative AI explained like you're 5. Remember, it's a magical elf in your computer creating amazing things. So keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, you might one day work with your own magical elf. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.